Even faster, boys. Let's go. Man, if you don't, you better box that like button, boy. Box the like button. Hit that subscribe button down below.
It's your boy Chevy back with another video. What we got popping today, bro? You already know I gotta give you those stage 1 results. I know you guys are excited to see that. But first, I gotta touch base. What happened with one stock F30, bro? That shit hit me to the core, bro. He was holding it down for the B58. Dude was pushing like 1,400 horsepower, 7-second car. That thing was crazy. Crazy. Really put me on to the B58s, and I'll admit it. I don't know if a lot of people out there would admit it, but I'd admit it. He put me on. He was a young dude, too. I think he was like 24. You know what I'm saying? Really put it on. We're going to put the next mod on. I got one performance mod, and then after that, in recognition for his name, I'm going to make sure I do at least one safety style mod. I don't care if it's brakes. I don't care, honestly. Roll cage, you got to see what's going popping because I got to get something safety in the whip because, you know, bro, that John hit me in the fields. I was like, bro, like you hear one day he had posted a video the day before, the day after my boy's gone. That junk is crazy. That is crazy. So with that said, rest in peace. You know what I'm saying? That was some hard news for the community. Well, what I got to jump into today, though, stage 1 results. I'm going to give it to you guys today. We're going to get some draggy runs, and I'm going to give you guys a little quick review of what I think of the stage 1 on the tune. You know what I'm saying? This is the MHD stage 1 and what I think as far as that goes. And then I also got to go get a haircut today. So
look at this dude.
I mean, there's that. We're going to get some family photos tomorrow. So got to make sure I get that haircut popping. Can't be looking dusty in the family photos. Does not work right. So before we hop in the whip, what I really want to say is stage 1 tune, bro. This thing feels amazing. Like amazing. It just woke the car up completely. You drive, you know what I'm saying? And honestly, I always told you guys I'd be riding around in sport plus mode, sport mode most of the time. Bro, honestly, with this tune now, bro, comfort gets it done. Comfort gets it done. You be chilling, you be hitting the bumps like, but not a lot. When you put it in that sport plus, yo, you feel it. You feel it like the car's like, yo, ready to go. Like it's ready to jump with extra boost. Like it's crazy. It's honestly, and the throttle response is just out of this world when you do it. So let's jump over to the whip. Let's take a ride.
All right, gang, so basically following up now, there's a couple things I like to look for when I get a new tune. First thing I always look at with a tune is not the power, right? Everybody always goes straight to power. That's not one of the things I like to look at. Drivability is huge for me, especially if it's a daily. If it's something that you just straight race carring, power all day. But what a lot of people don't realize is in order to hit some of those peak power numbers, the car loses a lot of drivability, that low-end torque that you like to see when you want to hit the gas from light to light. Different things like that. You want to goof around. You want to push someone back in their seat type of thing. Immediately, you lose a lot of that. That's one thing I love about this MHD Stage 1. This thing feels awesome. Like this is comfort mode right now. Drive, no sport on the transmission or anything. I'm going to let back a little bit. And I'm going to get it the gas. I'm going to give it some gas right now. You can see immediately, right? That throttle response. It's not as quick as if I were to put it in sport for the transmission, anything like that, but it's a lot of good drivability. I just want to get up and move through traffic. If I want to get around people, it's so easy. It makes it almost effortless. Now, just speaking about some of the different modes. Comfort mode from the get-go rides really good. It rides real comfortable. I have the adaptive suspension in this vehicle, so it definitely softens everything up. So when I'm cruising around right now and I'm in comfort mode, I hit a bump, it's just like, but it's nothing crazy, right? Sport, it does stiffen it up just a bit. Sport Plus definitely stiffens it up. You can tell the difference immediately. With this tune, I do notice that in comfort mode, it feels like I got a good amount of power, but not as much as when I'm in Sport Plus. And it could just be, I haven't checked the maps to see if anything is different between the maps or like is different between what mode you're in, if it's pushing more boost or not. But what I did notice is that when I'm in Sport Plus, the car does feel a whole lot faster. So comfort, I would say if you're just trying to drive around every day and you got the Stage 1 tune, 93 octane, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. If you want to go a little bit more sporty, you know what I'm saying? Let's say you swimming through lanes, you may want Sport Plus. Only reason I say may want Sport Plus is because Sport Plus does turn that traction control off for you. Just want to be a little careful with that because I'm now able to kick out the rear end on this car in Sport Plus. I was not able to do that before. Now the rear end of this thing can actually kick out if I'm coming around a turn and I hit on that gas. Definitely increasing power, and that's one of the quickest ways I was able to tell immediately more power. I came around a turn, smashed on the gas in Sport Plus, rear end was like, oh, I was like, okay, all right. It's reminding me a little bit of the Mustang I had. So it feels really good. And this is all-wheel drive, so don't forget that. I see when I hit on the gas a little bit, it delays a little bit of the input. But if I were to put it in sport, just listen to the car. I'm going to put it in sport. You can hear it actually downshifted down, so it's gonna keep those gears up into that lower gear for you. It's gonna keep the gears in the lower gear for you. And actually, it gives it a little more pep in the step when you're hitting on the gas and stuff, right? So I just, like, look, I'm gonna go back to comfort real quick. And this is my hand is gonna represent what I'm doing with the gas pedal. All right, you see how it took a little while for that to happen? I'm gonna go back to sport, right? Let it go to sport. And this is my hand. Right? Immediately. That's not even Sport Plus. I'm gonna show you Sport Plus. And you hear that little pop out the back. I don't know if you guys were able to hear that, but the rear end was like pow. I still got stock cats, everything on this vehicle. I'm putting it in Sport Plus right now. But honestly, what I have to say is I'm very impressed with the way that this car feels. MHD did a great job with this tune. And once again, this is not a custom tune. This is a tune that if you have any B58, it's pretty much just one that's gonna go on your car. If you don't have the upgraded fuel pump that comes on the newer ones. That is definitely coming. Oh, you guys hear that turn signal too, right? Yeah, your boy's still sticking with the turn signals. Haven't fully adopted that BMW wave yet of no turn signals, but you know what I'm saying? I just wanna let you guys know. I told y'all I was gonna keep using mine. I'm in Sport Plus right now. I'm gonna show you guys with my hand, the throttle, right? Sport Plus. Just like I said, immediately, like immediately. Crazy throttle response, and there's no transmission tune on here yet. The car just wakes up, ready to go. You can see it push my head back. I can't wait to get those draggy times because I don't even know what it's running right now. So I'm super excited just as much as you guys are. All right, we're about to breeze in here and get a haircut real quick. As soon as we're done with this haircut, then your boy is gonna get back to you guys. We're gonna go run that draggy time, and I'm gonna tell you about the other two things I really like to look for when I get a new tune. All right, so next up we talk about performance, right? Oh, first of all, yo, your boy cut looking fresh, right? He's looking good. All right. So what we gotta talk about is performance, bro. Performance is what's next. And honestly, you guys know how I'm feeling about this right now because the day one I put the tune on the car, I took Shorty out for a ride. Bro, the performance is there. Like, it's all there. Like, this thing moves now. Like night and day difference. Like, I'm not trying to glaze it or nothing like that, but night or day difference, right? Like it's like bang. Before it was like, you get on the gas, you're like, okay, this thing, it's got a little bit of speed to it. And honestly, it was faster than the GTI I had, but the GTI had more drama, right? When you hit on the gas, it had more drama. You heard the turbo spool and all that, but that was after I did some mods to the car, right? But this car now, with the tune, it wakes up. You can hear a lot more engine noise. You can hear a little bit of turbo, but you really hear is that more exhaust grunt that's pumping out the back because it's trying to get all that out of the engine, right? And that's where you really tell the difference. And this thing feels so, so good. All right, I think we're ready to go get a draggy run. I know you guys have been waiting to see it. I'm waiting to see it. We got to get over to the spot, you know what I'm saying? My test spot. And then we can see what the times is looking like. So let's go. All right, squad, we just pulled up to the spot just now. I'm gonna go ahead. I got it in sport mode, Sport Plus. Transmission in sport is what I meant. I'm gonna reset the draggy now. Draggy's all set up. Foot on the brake, foot on the gas. Flag is here. Let's go, let's check the time. Oh, shit. Yo! Bro, this thing is moving. Stay focused. Okay, that's gotta be. Holy shit. All right. Go! Boy, you won't believe the time. Yo, put your comment. Yo, put it down in this comment section, I swear. Tell me what you think I hit, son. Tell me what you think I hit. Let me see what the first time was real quick. Let me pull over real quick. Yo, best time I hit before, 13.16. Yo, what your boy just hit just now, 12.34. Bro, quarter mile? Bro, how much is that off? Bro, that's 6 miles per hour more in the quarter mile. And on top of that, it's a little bit cooler outside. It's 52 degrees out right now, so that's helping. Bro, that's 0.82 seconds off, bro. That's almost a whole second off the quarter mile. Stage 1 tune, nothing else done. Nothing else, no transmission tune, no nothing. Bro, that is crazy. That is crazy. 60 foot was a 1.96. That's out of this world. I did not see that coming. Yo, my best 0 to 60 before was a 4.89. That was just a 4.15. Let's go. We're talking supercar levels at this point, like old school supercar levels. All right, bet. I think we gotta get one more run in this thing just to see what it's looking like, confirm it, you know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead, let's spin the block real quick. You guys hear the way it sounds in Sport Plus too? That's a whole nother animal. Go ahead and do that thing. Y'all ready? I'm gonna do one more run. I'm gonna do another pull. Y'all ready? Let's press the brake. Reset times. Give it gas. Let's go. Bro, that's crazy. That one was a little bit slower. But I think I let out a little early on that one. Yo, I told y'all. So that last run was a 12.53, but I think I let out a little early. Bro, I told y'all, this thing is much quicker. Like, much quicker. Like, you can feel the difference. No joke, right? So, as you guys can see, we 0.82 seconds faster now. So that way you guys know what the times is really looking like. You know what it is. I feel like we need one more run. I feel like I need one more good run. I'm gonna go ahead and do one more run. Let's not break anything. I'm joking. We're gonna get one more good run in here. Hope y'all ready for this. Let's see. Set that up. She's all set up. I'm gonna put this thing and make sure I'm in good spot. I'm good. Reset. You guys ready? Brake, gas. Build it up. Ah. That's gotta be a quarter. Woo! Even faster, boys. Let's go! Let's go! Bro, I told y'all. Bro, that's crazy. I can't wait. Throw the downpipe on this and get those results. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. That run just now. 12.29, boys. 12.2. You already know what it is. 0 to 60, 4.08. Bro, couple years ago, you go back like a couple years back, that's what Lambs was running. That's what Lamborghinis were running. Before all this craziness, like 2 second, 2.9 second, 0 to 60s now. Bro, that's what Lamborghinis were running. Your boy just ran a 4.0, what was that, 4.08? Yeah, 4.08. That's crazy. I just ran a 4.08, 0 to 60. That's what Lamborghinis used to run. Bro, the proof is in the pudding, as they say. You know what I'm saying? The gains is there. So if you guys want your car to be much faster, bro, immediately. So that's the end performance and how I feel about the performance of this. You can see that it's there, right? Drivability is there, check. Performance, check. Last but not least, I want to talk about the last thing I like to look for in a tune, and that's the feel, right? How does the tune make you feel? And this is a hard one. I think a lot of people can't get across, you know, straight through video. So I'm gonna try to give it as best as possible. Feel is like, does it feel comfortable? Do you feel like when you go out and you start your car, is it gonna run properly? Is it gonna start up easily? All of these different things are baked into that tune, right? There's cars I've had that had tunes on them where you go to start it up and it's like, oh, I don't know, we're not gonna take that one tonight because I wanna be able to start up and make it home later just in case if something's going on iffy with the tune, right? It's too cold out, something like that. I do not have any of those issues, like any of those issues with this car, with this tune, anything like that. And that is one big thing, and that's what makes or breaks a tune, and a lot of people don't talk about that. This tune feels amazing because I don't have any of those issues. I know if we go out to dinner in the whip, I'm going to be able to make it home later that night because the car is just going to start up, right? The tune is good. It's going to start up everything, right? And I'm running 93 octane. We'll see what it feels like when your boy switches over to that E85 or a blend, right? Make this turn real quick. We'll see what it's like when your boy switches over to an E85 or E50 or something like that, one of those kind of blends. But the feel of this tune is immaculate, right? You go ahead, you feel comfortable driving it. Daily driving it feels good. You feel like you can hand the keys over to your mom if she had to drive your car, and she could drive to the store, right? You just tell her, put it in comfort mode, let it just stay how it is, and just drive to the store. Don't worry about nothing. That is not something I can say about any of the other tunes that I had on other cars. Some of them were real peaky, right? Somebody was driving it, they hit a certain point, the tires might spin out, right? Because it's so different, and that feel is so important. And I just want to make sure that I'm stressing that to you guys, that this thing feels really good. And that is the last thing I can say about this tune. Let's go! Almost a second faster, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Man, if you don't, you better box that like button, boy. Box the like button. Hit that subscribe button down below, because your boy has just been almost a second faster in the quarter mile. You already know we talking about results here, and that's what I like to see the most. I hope you guys are enjoying it as well. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know